I don't have much battery left, so I will just make it very quick.
Why did you say there's any scratch? Look.
Yeah, I think it's because of the volcano. You know, it makes the same thing with my phone when I'm trying to record. Or hi Samanush, hi Thorir, how you doing guys? Hi Malik, nice to see you. I'm just gonna make it like 2 minutes or something, and I'm gonna take some videos because my battery is dying pretty fast. Hi Malik. Hi Han. Oh, that was a big explosion right there. Oh, another one. Side, check it out. Side, check it out. Hey, Julian. Thanks, bro. Hey, we're gonna watch this together, man, when you come to Reykjavik. Check out how the lava is moving. Hello. Hey, Marco, my friend. Marco, oh man, I wish you were here, Marco. I wish you were here. Good night, Shaki. Good night, Mustafa. Good night. Beautiful, warm night here in the volcano. Well, beside the volcano. I can actually feel the heat right here. I can literally feel the heat. Said, bro, check it out.
Şimdi saat 9 Ben onlara derdim saat 9'a kadar kalın.
Birazdan çıkacağım diyorum. Birazdan çıkalım. Be careful. Thank you. It's crazy how good signal is here, Said.
Huh?
It's crazy good. The signal is crazy good here, to be honest. I'm actually quite surprised.
It's not like if you have some sort of blanket and it's really cool.
Yeah, but they had to put the signal good, man. I mean, listen, people were caught here.
Yeah. Spending the night here is not very hard.
Oh, big explosion. Yeah, spend the night here. Just sleep here.
Huh?
We just sleep here and wake up high because of the gases. Marco, man, bro, I wish you were here. I wish you were here, Marco. Alright, guys. Battery is dying out. I give it 30 more seconds, and then I'm going because we need the light to go back to the car because otherwise, you know. Oh, a big explosion. I give it a few more seconds. 30 more seconds and I have to leave because it's getting cold and my battery is basically dying, so. Oh, look at the lava flow. Look. Check this out. It's crazy, huh? Yeah, all the lava moving. A lot of people watching. Çıkan lavlar nereye gidiyor? 7 abi. Gördüğünüz gibi. Alright guys, thank you so much. I wish you a lovely night. Good night. Sleep well. Take care of each other. Take care of your parents, your family. And lots of love from Iceland. Bye bye.